Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a Home Assistant dashboard. So what you are need to do basically is navigate to the settings and then to the dashboard, and you will add the dashboard. So then what you are going to do is select add new dashboard from Sketch, give it a name. You can also select an icon right here, and yeah, so then you can take your uh, own cards, click the pencil icon, edit mode, and then you will start editing your dashboard. So let me show you how you can do that. So if you click on here, let's make uh, room 1. Then we have here to select um, um, our icon. Now what we can do here, interactions we can select, and badges. If we are happy with it, just save like this. And right here now we can add, let's say, floor amp, for example, icon height, select color. So we can play a little bit with that here, purple for example, and then save. What we can also add, we have bunch of options here. So let's say what we want. Basically, I will choose the clock here. Okay, save, just like that. And now we can add another room. So let's say room number 2 icon. Now we will select different icon. So let's say this one. Okay, hit save, and now we can change here. Also, we can add some, so ground floor thermostat. So we can, as you can see, add bunch of option here. So yeah, just like that. So yeah, let's say alarm panel, save. But we will need to configure it before we do that. And just like that, and you can build something like that. For example, something like that you can build. So you have living room here, kitchen, energy, uh, climate, outdoor updates, study. So every different room, every different purpose for it. And you can add to every component here in this. You can play with it and add some activities to it also. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can design a Home Assistant dashboard. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.